Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see what is enumerated data type. An enumeration creates a strong variable type that is limited to a set of specified names such as instruction opcodes or state machine values. Using these names such as add, move, makes the code easier to write and maintain than using literals such as 8#H01. The simplest enumerated type declaration contains a list of constant names and one or more variables. This creates an anonymous enumerated type. See, for example, enumerated data type starts with the keyword enum. Then we have the colors red, blue and green, and this is the name of the data type, that is color. And also you have to remember, enumerated type automatically gives the unique value to the every name in the list. First we will see what are the different functions and we will solve some examples, then it will be more clear for you people. So let us see which are the different functions. First one we have is the first. See, this first returns the first member of the enumeration. Next one is the last. This returns the last member of the enumeration. Then next returns the next element of the enumeration. Next returns the nth next element. Then previous, PREV, returns the previous element, and next one is previous n, returns the nth previous element. So these are the different types of the enumerated data types. So what you have to remember is enumerated type automatically gives the unique value to the every name in the list. See, this is the list. So in enum is the keyword, red, blue, green is the list of the, you can say list of the some values, and it gives the unique value to every member in the list. These are the list members, you can say. So to every member in the list, it gives the unique value. Let us solve some examples. EX1. Let me write the program module. Let us call the name of the module as enum EX1. Next we have to define what is enum members. Let us call the members as January, Feb, March, April, and let us name this as month. Then initial begin. Now I want to assign month is equal to month dot first. See, what is first? First returns the first member of the enumeration. Month equal to month dot first. Next, let us have the loop. Forever begin, $display, %s colon %d comma. Next we have to assign month dot name. Name in the sense the name of the month is displayed in place of this. Next we have to display the assigned value, unique value at this particular place. Next is month and semicolon. If month equal to month dot last. If it is a last element, the loop has to be repeated till the last element. then break, month is equal to month dot next. Next is it gives the cursor or the pointer moves to the next element with the next keyword. Then end for this, then end for this, and then end module. Now we will analyze what is this. How is the output displayed? Let us write the output after the simulation. What is display? $display %s colon %d month dot name comma month. In place of %s, whatever is assigned in this, the name of that will be displayed. And month is, I told you, enumeration data type assigns a unique value to each of the member in the list. So that unique value is assigned at this particular point. Now month dot name, month is equal to month dot first. First in the sense it returns the first member of the enumeration. Initially first member is assigned. Therefore we have the first output as Jan colon as it is. %d is, it assigns the unique value. It assigns the unique value as 0. Then the loop repeats. It goes to the next one. Month is equal to month dot next. Then next is February colon 1. It assigns a unique value of 1 to the February. Then March 2. And last one is April 3. Like this, the output is displayed on the screen. It means that the enumeration data type assigns unique value to each of the member in the list. Let us solve some more examples. Example 2. Module enum ex2, that is the name of the module. Now we will define enum as enum. Now here the value is assigned by the user, Jan equal to 5. Next we have other months as it is February, March, April. Let us call this as month. Then initial begin. We have the same statements what we had before, end module. See here, only this is the difference. In the first example we have just named it as, or we have declared it as Jan, Feb, March and April. Whereas here in this example we have assigned a value of 5 to Jan, Feb, March and April as it is. Remaining all statements are same as the example 1. Now how is the display? How the output appears here? If you see the output, I told you enumeration data type assigns a unique value to each of the member in the list. Now Jan will have colon, of course, colon, because in display we have mentioned it as colon. Jan will have the value 5. Now what about Feb? For Feb it takes the next value 6. For March it takes 7. For April it takes 8. The output will be displayed like this. Let us take one more example. ex3 module enum ex3 is the name of the module. Let us declare enum as Jan equal to 7. Again we are inputting for each of the members. Then Feb, let it be 5. Then March, let it be 2. Then April, let it be 4. and then month. Then same thing, next we have the end module. In between lines are same as the first example. Now what will be the display? The output will be displayed as it is. When the user enters the values, those values are displayed as it is. Otherwise, it will assign the unique value in serial fashion. Now we have Jan:7, Feb:5, March:2 and April:4. This is the output that we get after simulation. Let us see few more examples. Example 4, where we have example 4, module enum ex4. Now enum we declare it as Jan=7, Feb=5, March=2 and then April as it is. This is the name as month. Remaining all statements are same. Then we have the end module. What do you expect? How is the output of this? The output of this is Jan is assigned with the value Jan:7, Feb:5, March:2. What about April? We have not assigned any value to April. It takes the next value of March. So April is assigned with value 3. Last example. Module enum ex5. Next declare the data type enum, Jan as it is. Let us have Feb=5, March=2, April=4 and name it as month. Then we have in between statements and last is end module. Now the output for this would be Jan do not have any value assigned. Therefore, Jan will be assigned with the value of 0. Feb is assigned with the value of 5. It is there in the declaration. Then March is 2 and then April is 4. So what we can conclude from enumerated data type? Enumerated data type assigns a unique value to each of the member in the list. This is about enumerated data type. Next we will see what is typedef. So you have to understand what is typedef. So system Verilog data type system allows us to define quite complex types. To make this kind of code clear, the typedef facility was introduced. Typedef allows users to create their own names for type definitions that they will use frequently in their code. Typedefs can be very convenient when building up complicated array definitions. For example, typedef Let us have type def register 7:0 octet. This is a declaration. Type def, starting with a type def register 7:0 and octet, and next we are defining it as octet B. Means that B is an octet, it takes the value of register 7:0. Octet is a data type. So B is declared with the data type of octet, and through type def we have declared octet as register 7:0. This is same as register 7:0 B. Thus we have type def being used in the system Verilog. That's it.